The suture slicing through the soft tissue is a significant problem for the soft tissue surgery. The failure of the rotator cuff repair is one of the very typical example. The same problem also exists in not only the tendon repair, but also the muscle and skin repair. So on the left, you see a demonstration of the clinical problem using a simple stitch applied to the bone tendon. Because of the stretch concentration, the tendon is easily slicing through. With our solution, we bring thousands of microfibers into the soft tissue within just a few seconds, creating a robust interconnection. With the same demonstration setup, it could easily lift more than 20 kilo of the force. In comparison with the state-of-the-art, which is still conventional manual stitching by the surgeon using the suture threads, our solution is faster, stronger, and better healing because the microneedling stimulates the healing response of the native tissue. We have different biomaterials of the patch for different clinical applications, including non-resorbable, resorbable, and also biological. The first clinical use of this technology is for the shoulder rotator cuff reinforcement. We have already got the FDA clearance for this indication in December last year, and this solution is currently available in nearly half of the states in the US. So here is a surgical animation showing how our patch can be brought in to augment the rotator cuff repair. So the instrument is a single use. It can be plugged into the standard shaver system to power it. And once it's powered, the surgeon just needs to run through the entire area of the patch for 90 seconds. Then the robust reinforcement is created. So the needle is in the 40 hertz, it's 40 times per second, brings the microfibers into the soft tissue. Here shows how it works in the macro level. It's the microfiber connection with the tendon tissue is very evenly distributed that allow the very robust interconnection and the reinforcement. And optionally, the patch can be fixed with 2 more lateral anchors based on the surgeon's preference. Next slides, please. Over the past years, we have also established a strong patent wall around this technology with more than 80 patents protecting not only our own design, but also alternative designs with a similar feature that could achieve the similar function. The videos in the middle shows that over the past years of engineering and optimization on the product process, we made our microblade unbreakable. This is a critical technical know-how that is not included in the patent. We classify them as a trade secret. And additionally, from time to time, we regularly monitor the patents from the other companies to make sure we have freedom to operate and also not infringe the other company's patent. So here shows our team and also the stakeholders along the value chain. In the middle column, it shows we have 4 very experienced industry experts supporting us, including the former CTO of Synthes, supporting us from the industry point of view, and the chief in shoulder service in Mass General Hospital from clinical point of view, and the former global marketing heads in the shoulder business for more than 20 years, supporting our market and the sales in the US. And we also have a very experienced investment banker supporting us from financial and the financing point of view. And additionally, we have established a group of the surgeons that is also supporting us for the early sales, product launch, and also to give us the market feedback for the new design as a upstream marketing. So all the person or people showing these slides is a critical stakeholder along our value chain, and we nicely aligned them not only in the stakeholder level but in the shareholder level. That means they also invested in us with their own money in our finished Series A financing round, demonstrating their confidence and also excitement of our solution. So here gives some comparable examples of the potential and the feasible exit. On the right, you see two acquisitions happened in the past years for the rotator cuff patch from the Smith Nephew of acquisition to rotation for Regeneten, and also the CONMED and also the Zimmer. If you see the most recent two acquisition, it happens 1 year after their FDA clearance. So we received our FDA clearance in December last year, and in this year, we could achieve a few millions of the US dollar revenue. And if we want to exit, those are reference example that is comparable. Only consider the rotator cuff indication. Next, please. This technology functions like a surgical sewing machine. It can be used not only for the rotator cuff repair, but could potentially be used for many other indications. At this moment, we are working on the second clinical use of this technology for the fixation of the intervertebral disc annular repair for the treatment of the disc herniation, preventing the disc reherniation. We have also received some non-dilutable fund from the Swiss government, and currently this indication is in the middle of the development. We completed the proof of the concept of the pilot animal study, and we are expecting to bring this to the regulatory clearance in 2 to 3 years. And beyond the orthopedics, it could also be used for some other indications like a wound closure, cardiovascular indication. Those early research is handled by collaboration with universities and the research institutes. So to share with you the potential vision that we see, the impact that our technology could achieve is to bring the comparable benefits to the soft tissue surgery as the normal sewing machine brought to our textile industry. So we look for investors who could share our vision, supporting us to shape the future of the surgery with this revolutionary surgical fiber lock technology. Thank you.